What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you some outdoor lighting ideas. Oh my gosh, guys, I meant to get this video out a long time ago. In fact, you're going to see me in like jackets and stuff like that early on in the video because I filmed a lot of this stuff when it was still cold outside because it was the beginning of the season. So I've just been meaning to try to get everything done and get the final takes of everything at night and all of that fun stuff. But honestly, time just gets away from me. So I put together the best video that I could for you guys today. I still think there's a lot of great ideas in this video with some really good ideas too. So hopefully you guys find some inspiration for your outdoor lighting. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay guys, for this first lighting idea, I bought this candle chandelier from Amazon. It was around $25 and I don't see that it's still available, so I can't link it in the description below, but you might be able to find something similar. It comes with these tea light candles that are solar, so obviously the sun is going to charge those up for you. And then I thought to myself, you know what, I don't have like a window or anything in my gazebo where it would hit the sun, so I thought maybe I could use these citronella tea lights. We'll see how it goes. So then I also got this hanging lamp from Amazon for $32, and I just thought it looked really cool and it would go really well with the candle chandelier. So my plan is to hook these two items together so that it can make one lighting fixture for my gazebo. I hope that all makes sense. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, and this is me trying to hold the camera and show you what I'm going to do here all at the same time, but I have the little hanging lamp and then I have the candle chandelier. So we're going to combine the two together to make one light fixture for my gazebo. So here I am. I'm taking the hook from each of those items and I'm just going to stick the hook for the hanging lamp underneath the candle chandelier, and then I'm just going to hook it right into the opening that's there. You see what I'm doing? Looks good, working just fine. So here it is. Ta-da! This is what it looks like in the daylight. As I said, I don't have any way for the sun to hit it, so I did pull it down and put it on one of those shepherd hooks in my yard to charge it up. And this is what it looks like at night. So it's super pretty. I kind of like the candle look with the bright light look. I think it looks really cool, and it definitely lights up this area if I was to have company over. Okay, so this next lighting idea, I bought these step lights from Amazon, and I think these were around $32. So they give you the option to hang them with screws, or you can hang them with this peel and stick tape that works really well, guys. I've had it out in the rain, storms, all this stuff. It's working really great. So at any rate, I opted to use the tape option because I'm going to stick this on the back of my deck. So here's me just taking the tape off, and I'm just going to put it on the back. Now, I don't have an image of these in the daytime. I apologize for that. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I'm just going to show you what they look like at night, and boy, do these things bright up awesome. Here they are. Wow. I mean, I just think that looks so nice and classy, and it's just giving you just the right amount of lighting around this seating area. So if I was to have a bunch of company over, I would obviously have my cushions out, which I don't right now. I think that these would work out pretty awesome for that because I just don't want like a major, spotlight on everybody. I wanted just enough lighting so you could see what you were doing or who you were talking to, whatever's going on. Okay guys, for this next lighting idea, I got these solar lights from That Daily Deal. They came 2 in a pack for just $5. So here's the solar part that obviously you want to make sure is pointed towards the sun. And then they have these stakes that are in the bottom of them, and you just stick them into your yard wherever you want to put them at. So I wanted to put these in my backyard area, and I just wanted to line it all the way down this like flower bed situation that I have going on here. Obviously, I still need to do some weeding and stuff at the time I took this video, but you guys are getting the idea. There's a corn stalk we got to pull out. I tried to, it didn't work. Nonetheless, you guys are getting the idea of what I'm trying to do here. So I just lined the entire area with these. They're very easy for me to stick into the ground and all of that stuff. This is what they look like in the daytime. So here they are at night. Oh my gosh, look at how much light those give off. This is so great if you have pets that you let out late at night like I do. This is in my fenced in area, so this is nice for the dogs to be able to be seen while they're out in the yard. I can see where they're at and all that kind of stuff. I don't know that they necessarily need the lighting, but it helps me to know where they're at in the yard at nighttime. Okay guys, so this next lighting idea is for your patio umbrellas. You know, the ones that go in the center of your tables. So I got these lights from Amazon and I love the fact that they're those little Edison light bulbs. I think they look so super cute. This one was about $35 on Amazon and it just goes around the pole on your patio umbrella. So this is battery operated and it also comes with a remote so you can turn the lights on from wherever you're sitting out in your patio. So I'm just going to slap the batteries in there and then I'm going to jump over to showing you how it goes onto the pole. So here I am, and I thought, oh wait, did I show you the remote? This is the remote, just so you guys know. So now here I am just wrapping it around the pole, and I kept thinking, is it really on there? So I kept trying to press it down, and boom, it broke open. So once you put it on the pole, just leave it where you want it to be or where it's secure, and don't touch it because mine's been fine ever since I put it up. So this is what it looks like in the daytime, which I think looks classy and nice. And then at nighttime, look how it lights up the table. I think it is so super pretty, and it would be great if you have people over and you just don't want a ton of lighting, like a spotlight on everybody. I think these are pretty awesome. So I wanted to get something different for the other one that I have. I have another table just like that. So I got this one on Amazon. This one was only $12. It was a lot cheaper than the other one, but you can see it's very, very different from the other one. It's a lot smaller. The lights are different, all of this stuff. So at any rate, this one has different light modes. So here it is on the pole. I just did the exact same thing. I think this one took the same amount of batteries, 4 AA batteries, just like the other one. This one does not come with a remote though. So here it is at night with the first setting. So this is just with the minimal lighting. The first setting, you just press it one time. So if you press it again, then you get more light, which I thought was really cool. I'm like, okay, all right, go ahead for $12. You know what I'm saying? Not bad at all. So then if you click it one more time, this is the maximum lighting, which I think it lets off just as much light, if not more, as the one that I paid $35 for. Now, aesthetically, it doesn't look as cool as the other one, but it definitely lets off a lot of light, and I was super happy with it. So I'm going to show you from far away. This is how it's lighting up the table. Look at that. I mean, that is a lot of light. Now, like I said, you can turn it down so that it's not so super bright, but I really like having all of those different lighting options with this one. So for just $12, I thought that this was a fantastic deal. Okay, so this here I'm going to show you, this is a little solar lantern that you could sit outside and put on your table. Now, unfortunately, because I just don't know what I was thinking, I did not sit this one out in the sun to give you guys a nighttime view of it. So here it is sitting on my patio table, and the lighting effect at nighttime is very similar to that lamp that's in my gazebo area. It's kind of a cool light, and I was hoping that maybe having it in the shade, you guys would get to see some type of lighting action, but yeah, that didn't happen, but you guys get the idea. Okay, so these ones here I got from Family Dollar. So these are solar hanging light bulbs, individual light bulbs for $1 each. There's the solar part of it. And I was thinking that these would look really cool if I hung them all around the outside of my gazebo area. So here's another one that was kind of cool looking. Unfortunately, I only bought one of these because I only saw one. If I would have saw more, I would have bought more, but they were $3 each for this particular kind. Personally, I think the Edison ones are really cool looking for $1 each, so I went with mostly those. Okay, so I'm going to hang them up with these hooks that I got from Amazon, and I think I paid around $16 for a set of 20, I believe. So because Family Dollar didn't have enough of those lights to go all the way around my gazebo, I thought it would look really cute if I combined them with these super cute tea light lanterns that I found at the Dollar Tree. So they were just $1.25 each, and they are battery operated, so I will need to turn them on. But I'm going to need to spray paint them because they're not the right color. So here's me trying to hold the camera and pop out the tea light just to show you how easy they are to pop out. I was just lazy, did not want to go get a tripod. So I popped out the tea lights, and then after I did that, I also needed to take the hooks off of the top of them. So here's me again trying to hold the camera and take these hooks off all at the same time. But you guys totally get the idea here. You just need to remove everything so that you can spray paint these whatever color you need them to be to match your patio area. Okay, so I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum fast drying indoor/outdoor paint that I got on sale at Ollie's for just $3.99. So after I did all that, guys, here they are hung up at night. How cool does this look? I think that these look awesome. Now those little solar lights, there's my dog, awesome. Those little solar light bulbs don't stay on very long. I mean, you're only going to get like a few hours from them, but overall it's a super cute look, and I think it would be fine for some kind of outdoor party or whatever. So here's a shot of that one that I got for $3. I think it looks really cool as well, and I'm not sure why the little light bulb beside it is not on. I guess it just died for the night, but you guys get the idea. Okay, so this last idea is just simple Edison Bob string lights that we put around the inside of another one of our gazebos. Yes, I am aware there's a bird nest over there. I don't like to mess with any of the nature stuff, so I just leave it and let it go the way that it is. But you guys get the idea. This is just something very simple if you have access to be able to plug in lights outside. All right, guys, that wraps up all the ideas for this video. I hope you find some inspiration, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! So there's still some gaps in the video, but I still hope that you find some inspiration and ideas from this. Okay. When it was still cold outside, it was the beginning of the season, and so you're going to see me in like sweatshirts and things like that. Not sweatshirts, jackets. Okay. I just have not had time to film like the final stuff, you know what I mean, like the nighttime stuff, you know what I mean. I keep saying you know what I mean. I can't keep saying that. Okay, try it again. I filmed a lot of this stuff at the beginning of the season, so you're gonna see me in jackets and things like that in a lot of parts of the videos, because videos, it's one video, just this one. Okay, try it again.